Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're obsessed with keeping track of your Instagram growth, today's video is perfect for you. We're diving into how you can find out who your most recent followers are on Instagram in 2023. So if you're curious to see who's just joined your followers squad, keep watching. First up, open your Instagram application, then tap on your profile, then tap on your followers. Here on the followers, all the recent followers are on the top and the most earliest are at the bottoms. You should need to scroll down to see who were your first followers, and at the top you can see it was the recent follower. Now, just like that, in following, you can sort your following from the earliest to the latest. You can see the most recent followers and following on Instagram in 2024. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more social media tips and tricks.